Right, okay, so this is Eden's GT300. It's quite easy to kick over, it's not a problem. Starts first kick. What he says is the point of this bike is that you can get it rolling in fifth, which is this gear 80 mile an hour, and then back off. Now, it's got a PM pipe on it now that it didn't have before, and also a 5-speed box. And what that's done, the PM's given it more at 5 grand than it had before, and less peak. But what you'll find from watching these videos, I don't think you need that much peak power. Let's see what it does. I'm only in full. Now, it has got less of the kick than it had before when I rode it with Charlie's pipe on. It had a real definite kick, and now it's got some bottom end at 5 grand, which means it's easier to roll on and less likely to just try and flick you. So we run this on the dyno, and it buzzes up to 100 mile an hour quite quickly and easily. Now on the dyno, we just tested it there. It was saying, 31, I think, 32 horsepower, something like that. So it's not a minimal amount of power. We'll go and do motorway junction. It's smooth revving. Not vibrating. Let's buzz out in front of this lorry. I love having the 5-speed. It's so easy to access it. We're doing 70 mile an hour and it is bobbing along at 6,000 revs. Not doing any effort whatsoever. Now, can I just wind it on and go? Definitely. Just pulling up. And the idea is it will sit and do 80 all day. Still only 61 degrees, 67 degrees. Nice and cool. And will it hold this all day? Honestly, feels like it would. Now, if this is your idea of touring, then maybe this is the engine you want. It's not vibrating at all. It feels lovely and smooth to me. There's no vibes through my feet. I'd be quite happy to do this. If I want a bit more acceleration rather than having to wait, I can always just drop it down to full. Straight in the power. That's not bad. That's the benefit of a 5-speed box. Ethan says his engine doesn't need one, but I think to get going immediately and have force there like that, I think it does. So there's another version of this coming that's got a power valve cylinder, and what the power valve does is it only adds exhaust timing. So it's be like this engine but with more top end. If you think it's short top end at the moment, and it doesn't feel like it is, to be fair.